I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure cheats are allowed so commands can run. This lets you test quickly and undo mistakes. Once done, open the chat or console interface. On PC, press T. On consoles, use the chat/command entry option and type a slash to signal a command. Make sure you're in the right world or server with permission, otherwise commands will fail. This initial step saves time and avoids permission errors when you execute more powerful commands. You now run the key commands that change play. Use /game mode to switch modes rapidly, because testing builds or flying is faster and creative. Once you want materials, /give delivers the exact item and count. Include data tags for variants. Use /TP for precision movement. Teleporting to coordinates or players prevents fall damage and saves time when exploring. As you type, use tab completion where available to avoid typos, and you finish by saving and verifying changes. Run /save or properly quit and reload the world to make sure everything persists. If a command fails, read the error text. It usually tells you if the issue is permissions, wrong arguments, or a misspelled name. Fix the syntax and try again. Make sure you have operator or admin rights if needed, and if something breaks, use /game mode survival and undo actions, or roll back with a backup. One tip, test on a small scale before wide changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.